When replacing the fuel level sender, you're obviously going to be working around fuel and the fumes it contains. Take the basic precautions. Make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area, you have eye protection, and are wearing gloves. There should be no open sources of flame or heat, including incandescent shop lights, and if you smoke, now's a good time to quit for a couple hours. A brand new gas tank sending unit is an aluminum tube with a small float that rides up and down the center. Make sure that you remove the small retaining pin that protects the sending unit during transportation and before you install it. Removal and installation is very straightforward. Simply unbolt the old one and attach the new one in its place. Make sure that you use a new gasket to avoid fuel odor seeping out the top of the sender. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.